Okay. Welcome to SSLC class. Today we are going to the next problem, 14th problem. The 14th problem is depending on the playing cards. Already discussed playing cards. How many playing cards? 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards divided into two colors, black and red. Each color divided into two parts. Red color divided into two parts. Each suit equal to 13. Oh, red is one suit is called diamond, another is heart. Black 113. The black is also divided into two suit. The first suit is club and the second suit is spade. So each 13 cards have the 2 to 10 9 numbers, 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 numbers, and one ass, and J, Q, K, jockey, queen, king, each one. So picture card, the J, Q, K cards are called the picture cards. The total picture cards are 12 cards, 4 sets, 4 into 3, total picture cards 12, red picture cards 6, black picture cards 6. So each suit has 3 picture cards, ass. Each set has 1 ass. The total, how many asses in the total set? 4 asses. Red asses 2, black asses 2, each calaver ass 1, spade ass 1, diamond ass 1, heart ass 1. Okay, this is already explained. So now 14th problem is, one card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting. First of all, total pack of cards, n of s is equal to 52. Total cards 52. So n of s is equal to 52. Okay, clear. N of s is equal to 52. So the first one is a king of red color. A king of red color. A king of red color. How many red colors kings? A king of red color. A king of red color. King K. How many kings are there totally? 4 kings. Red kings 2, because red has 2 suit. Okay, diamond, heart. So how many red color kings? 2 kings. 2 by 52. Answer enough. Okay. So let E1 be the, let means you have to take, let E be the an event of getting a king of red color. A king of red color. So n of E1, a king of red color, how many red color kings? 2. Okay, clear? 2. So probability of E1 is equal to n of E1 by n of S. So 2 by 52. So 1 by 26. 2 by 52 is equal to 1 by 26. Clear? Next. Second one is a face card. Face cards or picture cards both are same. Face cards or picture cards are both are same. A face card. Face cards or picture cards. So let E2 be the an event of getting face card, so n of E2. So this is a red color king, the red mentioned, color mentioned. Here there is no color. So a face card, how many face cards are there in totally? 12, 4 suit. Each suit has 3 face cards. 3 face cards are picture cards. So n of E2 is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So P of E2 is equal to n of E2 by n of S. So that is equal to 12 by 52. 4 ones, 4 threes, 3 by 13. 3 by 13 face cards probability. Any face card, king or queen, any color, any face card. Next, third one. A red face card. So let E3 be the an event of red face card. Let E3 be the an event of red face card. So n of E3 red face cards. Red face cards means each 3 into how many red suit? Red suit how many and how many 13s? One suit is equal to 13 cards. One suit is equal to 13 cards. Red how many suits? 2 suits. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now probability of E3 is equal to n of E3 by n of S is equal to 6 by 52. 6 by 52, 3 2s, 3 2 3s, 226. 2 3s, 226. Okay. Next one, fourth bit. This is very important problem. Fourth one, the jack of hearts. The jack, J-A-C-K. The jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So how many jack means J. The jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So let E4 be the an event of getting an event of same, an event of getting, an event of E1, E2, E3, an event of getting same. What is the difference? The problem will ask. Probability of getting jack of heart, jack of hearts, jack of hearts. So n of E4 is equal to how many hearts? Hearts 13, clubs 13, spades 13, diamonds 13. Okay, hearts 13. In the heart, how many jacks? In the heart, how many jacks? 1 jack. So probability of E4 is equal to 1 by 52. N of E4 by N of S is equal to how many heart jacks? Hearts means 13 by 52. Heart jack. Okay, jack only one in the hearts. Next, fifth one. spade. Let E5, let E5 be the an event of getting a spade. How many spades are there? Only spade. Okay, spade card. Spade, jack, spade, heart, no, there is no spade, only spade. How many spades are there? Spade means which color? Black. Okay, 13 cards. So P of E5 is equal to N of E5 by N of S, that is equal to 13 by 52, that is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Next, the queen of diamond. The queen of diamond. Let E6 be an event of getting the queen of diamonds. N of E6. How many diamond cards are there? How many diamond cards? 13 diamond cards. In 13 diamond card, how many queens? In 13. Diamond means 13 cards. In 13, how many queen cards? Only one. So P of E6 is equal to N of E6 by N of S. So that is equal to 1 by 52. Clear? Next one, 15th problem. 5 cards. 5 cards. What are they? The 5 cards: 10, jack, queen, king, ace of diamonds. Okay, diamonds as well are well shuffled with their face downwards. The card is picked up at random. What is the probability of? Okay. 18th problem. A box contain 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. 18th problem. A box contains 90 discs. 90 discs which are numbered at from, so S is equal to 90, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 90. So N of S is equal to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, one box has 90 discs, one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears 2-digit number. First bit is 2-digit number. 2-digit number. So 2-digit number. So let E1 be an event of, let E1 be an event of getting 2-digit number. 2-digit number. So 2-digit number means the number starting from 1 to 9, 1 to 90 only 2-digit number. So 1 to 9 single digit numbers, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 90. So N of E1 is equal to, in 90 totally 90. Totally 90. In 90, 10 to 90, these all numbers are 2-digit numbers. All numbers are 2-digit numbers. So remaining single digit number. The single digit numbers, how many? How many single digit number? Only 9. So 90 minus 9 is equal to 81. So probability of E1. What is E1? 2-digit number. What is E1? 2-digit number. So N of E1 by N of S. N of E1 is 81 by 90. 9 nines, 9 tens. Second bit. A perfect square number. A perfect square. A perfect square number. Perfect square number. Perfect square means exactly square root. Okay. So let E2 be an event of, let E2 be an event of getting, perfect square. So E2 is equal to, perfect square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. 100 square or 10 square also perfect square. But in what is the total numbers in the given data sample space? 1 to 9 numbers. In 1 to 9 perfect square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on up to 9 square. 100 square, 10 square, 11 square, 12 square is also perfect square. But in the limit range 1 to 90. In 1 to 90, these are how many perfect squares are there? N of E2. N of E2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So probability of E2 is equal to N of E2 by N of S. So that is equal to 9 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 10. 9 by 90, 1 by 10. Okay. Next. Next one. Third one, a number divisible by 5. A number divisible a number divisible by 5. Let E3 be the an event of getting a number divisible by a number divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means fifth table. What is the first one? E3. E3 is divisible by 5 means 5 is divisible by 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, up to 90, because the given data is only numbers 1 to 90, up to 90. So n of E3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 by 90, that is equal to 1 by 5. 18 by 90. Next to 19th problem. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letter as the given below. 6 actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E, A. Actually, die means 6 faces. 6 faces has the number 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the normal die. This is the separate die. The separate die has 6 faces. In 6 faces, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, B, C, D, E, A. So A's are 2 times. A's are 2 times repeated. So this is die. Normal die 1 to 6 numbers. This is special die. This die has how many faces? 6 faces. But what are they? A, B, C, D, E, A. This is the special die. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting? So what is the n of s? So solution, s is equal to what? A, B, C, D, A, D, E, A is 1. N of s 6. N of s is 6. So first bit, what is the first bit? What is the probability of getting? The probability of getting the number. So let E1 be an event of getting A. So n of E1 is equal to, let E1 be the what? E1 be the getting A. How many A's in the given data? 2 A's. N of E1 is equal to 2. So probability of E1 is equal to 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. The second bit is, let E2 be the an event of, let E2 be the an event of getting D. So n of E2 is equal to, how many D's are there? Only one D. So 1. So probability of E2 is equal to n of E2 by n of S, that is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, clear?